Hi. So I got this problem solved of turning this into a Y tube. So the answer I got from Triple Lightning, and thank you to you. You pointed out that there's a piece in my model that shouldn't be there, and if I remove it, it works. Let me show you. The original problem is shown here, so I posted a video about this. So I asked for help. Why does my Fusion 360 refuse me to turn this model into a branching tube? And now I'm going to try the fix. So what I do is that I locate this thingy here. Oops. Don't know what happened there. So this, and this is the problem. Now I don't understand still why it is a problem. It looks like a perfect surface to me, and yeah, should define part of this body. But anywho, let's try to select it. So I press there, Command click that one, Command click that one, and delete. And now I have a cleaner model. So although I would have preferred to have that part there, because I'm going to 3D print this later, and well, I don't know, I just thought it looked nice. But anywho, now I should be able to hollow this out and make it into a tube. So I go to Modify, Shell, and I select this, and I will go inside here, and I go 2 millimeters. So the first thing I notice is that I can't actually see any difference. So I tried to examine this one. So I selected the face, and just so that you know that I know this model now is actually has actually an inside that is 2 millimeters thick, but Fusion 360 doesn't show that to me, so I'm kind of fooled here. So the thing I did was that I realized that if this is actually 2 millimeters thick now, I should be able to left click and hold here and get a list of the faces that I'm able to select. And look, there I have an edge, and that's actually the inner edge. So now we can see that Fusion 360 has actually created an inner 2 millimeter face here. So although it's hard to see, at least it makes sense. So as a noob, I really struggle to understand what Fusion 360 is telling me, and this is confusing. But I thought, well, maybe I should then just remove this face. And of course, I'm not allowed to do that. Or, of course, I don't know why I can't do that. Can do it again and see. Well, that doesn't help. Compute failed. So, well, if I can't remove this thing here, okay, an idea starts to come up in my mind. Maybe this is actually not so strange. Well, anyhow, what I have to do is I have to, or I could, make a hole here. So I make a hole here, and, or no, maybe not. Maybe I do like this instead. I sketch a circle here on this face, and make the circle why doesn't this line up? That's strange. Let's try again. Circle. Press C and that's strange. My model is off. This is so tiresome. Frustrating it is. Oh, now it lines up. Or does it? No. Well, let's go for that. And now let's extrude that. So let's go inwards, and we should have something here saying go through. Extent all. Nope. Just want the surface. To object. What the heck is an object? No, let's go distance instead. So okay, that worked. Although it looks a little strange, I think. Let's do the same on the bottom here. Sketch, create sketch. Make it on that one. Circle, center. Huh. This one is correct. Well, I don't know. Anywho, escape, extrude, and go -2 and cut. Okay. Yeah, you got the picture. So I just want to put this out, and thank you again to Triple Lightning for the help with my problem. I really appreciate it, and I will struggle on and try to learn the semantics of Fusion 360. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.